The sports medicine program here at MJC is phenomenal. We are known throughout the nation for a community college. Not very many have athletic training programs, and we are able to provide health care to our 21 different athletic teams that we have here at MJC.
Ooh, the different sports. So I know we have men and women's water polo, swim, football, baseball, softball, men and women's soccer, men and women's basketball. We have track and field, cross country, golf, men and women's tennis.
I like helping people, and I used to coach football, so I found out that they had actually a program here at MJC where I can be able to help the athletes.
The program here opened the door for me to fall in love with athletic training, eventually leading me to West Virginia. Really fell in love with the profession, and I want to achieve more.
We've had students go on to be chiropractors, athletic trainers, physical therapists, personal trainers, EMTs, nurses, doctors.
I chose athletic training mainly because I really enjoy being around sports, and I just have a passion for helping people, and it's really fun to be able to be on the sideline or in the dugout with the athletes and help them if they need anything.
Well, I love the connection we have. If we didn't have a connection, I feel uncomfortable around them. They kind of give me jokes, laugh, and it's kind of it's like another football team inside the medicine room, and it feels comfortable.
Yes, I definitely feel more secure that they're out here watching us, because at any moment, anything can happen, and they're always the first ones to respond whenever something like that happens.
It's a little hard because as an athlete, you want to get back on the court or on the field as quickly as possible, and they're the ones telling you, no, slow down, you need to ice, or you need to stretch this, or you need to do therapy for this. And in the long run, you should listen to them. My experience has been really good. They've been really straightforward with me when I had an injury.
There are 5 domains of athletic training: examination, assessment, and diagnosis, immediate and emergency care, therapeutic intervention, and health care administration and professional development. Once they leave Modesto Junior College and they leave our athletic training program here, they are better prepared to move on to the next level, and by the time they go on and finish their career, they're very well-rounded students.
We want to be able to get the athletes back on the field as soon as possible, but while keeping them safe here at the same time. You also build a friendship, and so whenever you see one of your friends hurt, you want to be able to help them out.
You get to be you and show off what you know and just feel part of a team.